Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share your iPhone screen to your PC. Okay, first of all you need to go to this website. Its name Lonely Screen. Okay, you should search on the Google Lonely Screen, then click it, and you should click download page, and you should click this one, download for Windows. Okay, it's only 60 KB. Okay, then you want to click this downloaded file, and you can click more information and click run anyway, then click yes. Then this application is installing. Okay, I will cancel this because I have already installed this software. Okay, the software Lonely Screen. Wait, I will show you. Okay guys, then you should click on your iPhone this one is screen mirrors. If you don't have this, you should click this empty space and click add a control button. Then you can select screen mirror icon, and then you can click on this screen mirror and you can select Lonely Screen, and then you can successfully share your screen to PC. It is 100% free. If you like to this video, please subscribe my channel and see you the next video. Okay guys, have a good day. Bye bye.